how we can create the ad? Simply go to facebook.com/ads manager, just this link, and you will come to this interface or this dashboard. So from here, click on create, and it will ask for the objective. Basically, Facebook ads has three level. First one is campaign level. At campaign level, we need to select the objective of the ads, like what goal we want to achieve with Facebook ads. Second one is ad set level. In the ad set level, we need to select main things are the audiences, that is the backbone of ads, placements, budget and scheduling, and all the things. You can also say this level at the ad set level is the back end of the ads. Next, third level is the ad level, and you can say this is the front end of the ads. So from here, we need to select our Facebook page, the format of ad, media, and the links. So right now we are at the first level, that is the campaign level. At the campaign level, we need to select the objective. For the e-commerce and drop shipping products, we need to mostly we will go to the conversion. Simply select the conversion, and from here, just name of your campaign. So right now I am creating the campaign for WC, means website conversion, and polo t-shirts. Next here is the create A/B test. A/B test is that when we want to test two different things at a time, like one ad is with the image ad and second one is video ad. One placement, just for example, one for the mobile device or one for the desktop, or one for United States and one for the United Kingdom. But right now we are not doing that A/B test. Campaign budget optimization is the new thing that Facebook recently introduced. What it does allow, previously we need to select the budget at the ad set level, and when we create the multiple ad sets, we need to put separate budget for each of the ad set. Just example, if we are running the ad for the one ad set $5, and we if we create five ad sets, we need to put separate $5 for each ad set, and total $25. But for that, now with the campaign budget optimization technique, we can select the budget at the campaign level. So under the campaign level, we can create the multiple ad sets. So that same $5 ad will run all the five ad sets if we create it, and Facebook will decide which is performing better for us, and then put the more budget in that ad set. So I am going with that campaign budget optimization, and daily budget will be $5. Next is it is asking for the conversion. What we conversion we want to do? We need to purchase conversion with this ad. Next is the dynamic creative. Dynamic creative is again putting the multiple things in single ad, like the images, headlines, or call to action button. We are not going to do that. The third next option is the offer. When we select this option, the offer, just example, if we have straight or flat 50% off on our ad or something like that, if we have these type of the offers, then we can select this offer button. Otherwise, no need for that. And next, the next thing is the audience. In the audience, we need to select the audience to whom we want to show our ad. So just for example, people who live in this location, whole United States. And for the polo shirts, we are selecting the age limits from 21 to 60 years of age. Gender, just this shirt is only for the men. So yes, uh, I am just targeting the men with this shirt. And next is the detail targeting. In the detail targeting, we need to put the interest like polo shirt. We can also select the suggestions like t-shirt, polo, clothing. These are the suggestions from the Facebook. So just example, the t-shirt, we can narrow it down with engage shoppers. So from here you can see our potential reach is 4.4 million. So some of the trainers or Facebook gurus said that they said previously that our reach will be less than 1 million. Now that's the trend that people are saying that the more potential reach we have, the more results will be better. So in the connection type we can just place our ad for those people who like our page or the friends of people who like our page, or we can exclude those people who like our page. It depends on us which option we need to select. We can also save this audience for the future purpose as well. Placement, Facebook always said automatic placement, but I don't recommend that. uh, According to my experience, just put your ad for the mobile feeds, uncheck the desktop, and just for the Facebook feeds, just Facebook feeds, uncheck the all other ones. And if we have the Instagram account too, Instagram feeds is also a best option. So no need to check anything from here. So simply scroll down and click on continue. So when it will load, first of all, it will ask for the Facebook page, for which Facebook page we want to create our ads. So meanwhile it's loading, we can from here simply click here, and so this is your page. Select this page, and Instagram account is already selected. Next, it will ask for the format of that carousel, single image or video, and collection. So we will go with the single image or video and put the single image. So from here, upload the image. Hmm, okay. So upload the image, and then next put some text here. So this is like this men's card promo in variety of colors, bring class, good for warm weather, and this. Mm, okay. So I am just selecting this text, putting here this men's cut polo comes in variety of colors that brings a class and professionalism to every event. Limited stock is available with an amazing discount offer. Shop now. And this link, we need to put the whole link here, website URL, and we can also use the Bitly link for just shortening the text, shortening the URL. Or simply put the whole link here, and shortener, copy this link and place here shop now. We can also put emojis here if we want from the emojipedia.org, and just example right hand, this one, and here can also check here if follow is available. Mm, no, the t-shirt. Yeah, copy this and paste it again. This man's skirt follow comes in a variety of colors that bring here. So next is the headline. By default, it will pick the headline from the link we have posted, like golfer jersey polo shirt. If you want to customize your heading, you can put that too. Call to action button will be shop now, and any other information that you want to put, you can put like available in different colors and sizes. And like this one, free shipping on order above 49, worldwide free shipping on and plus orders. So after doing these things, just click on the confirm and your ads will be live. So from here, this ad is, it will go first of all in the review process, and it will take 5 to 10 minutes or mostly 1 to 2 hours, and then ad will be active. So how we can like get the maximum output from this campaign budget optimization? We can go to ad set level and also create the duplicate of it one, and this example, this one was for the engaged shoppers. Now we can just put like the sports category, sports, and just put the polo as a sports, or sport is too much uh, broader category, so I have just put the polo. So here I can also put as a follow, so that in future I will recognize which ad set is working for which one. So the above one is for running for the polo, and second one is for the engaged shoppers. I am just changing its name to engaged shoppers. So now both of these two ad sets for the different audience are running for the same $5. And when those will run, Facebook will check which is performing better and put more budget in that ad set. So in this way, you can create the your campaigns as well.